my channel, Baking and Buttercream. Today we're making a classic cookie, the Snickerdoodle. So let's take a break and bake. And don't forget to subscribe as well, because once we reach 250 subscribers, I will make a giant Oreo, and I really want to reach that goal. That way I can make this, because the giant Oreo would be so cool. Now let's make these Snickerdoodle cookies. The ingredients you need are 2 3/4 cup of flour, 1 1/2 cups of sugar, 1 cup of butter, 2 eggs, 2 teaspoons of vanilla, 1 1/2 teaspoons of cream of tartar, a 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, and a 1/2 teaspoon of salt. And finally, cinnamon sugar. To make the cinnamon sugar, take a 1/2 cup of sugar, add in 3 tablespoons of cinnamon, and mix that together. The first step to making these cookies is creaming together your butter and sugar for 4 to 5 minutes until light and fluffy. After you've done that, you're gonna add your eggs and your vanilla and mix that together for 1 to 2 minutes as well until it's well incorporated. Then we're going to go ahead and mix our dry ingredients. We're going to add to our flour, cream of tartar, baking soda, and salt. And then mix that all together. And now it's time to mix it up. So what we're going to do, we're going to add in half of our dry ingredients into the wet mixture, let it mix up for a couple minutes, then add the other rest of the dry ingredients, let it mix up, and then after that, we're actually going to put it into the fridge. I wrapped my dough in saran wrap and put it in the fridge for 20 to 30 minutes. After that, you're gonna pull out your dough and you're gonna make little dough balls, and you're gonna dip them into your cinnamon sugar mixture and put them onto the tray. And then once your tray is full of cookies, put in the oven at 350 for 9 to 11 minutes. If you don't want them to have a dome shape, flatten them out with your hands before you put them in the oven. These cookies are so good, they're so soft, and you can really taste the cinnamon. But before you start making these cookies, make sure you subscribe to my channel and share this video with all your friends, and hit that like button if you enjoyed this video. Alright guys, click one of these 2 videos right here. The top one YouTube recommends, I recommend this bottom one, and click the Baking and Buttercream icon over here to subscribe to my channel. Alright guys, have a good day, and I know I will because I have Snickerdoodles.